नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जेवीएन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, assistant professor in management department in jyoti vidyapeeth women's university jaipur. In today's session we are going about discuss in this subjects our topic process of sales management and formulation of strategic sales management program. So let's start the topic. Process of sales management. The sales management process. In any sales management process in any organizations involves three interrelated and dynamic set of the decisions and process. Sales management is the process and attracting sales force goals in an effective and efficient and manner and through planning and safety and training, leading and controlling organization resource. Any organization with an substitutional and the sales and force needs to the plan and manage the sales management process and accomplish goals through resource utilizations and people management. The sales management process and covers three interrelated steps: the formulations of a strategic sales and the programs and implementations of a strategic sales and program, and evaluations and control of sales force performance. So let's start the discuss formulations of a strategic sales management program. This is the bringing of a scientifically and designed sales management program. The sales plan must take into account the influence and constraints and imposed by the external environment, the demands of the potential and customers, and the strategic moves of competitors are two important external environmental and factors that a sales manager should take into account. The other environmental issues and taken into account include the legal and potential environment, social and cultural environment, the technological and natural environment, and the prevailing economic and environment. The organizational environmental and factors help in determining the nature of a sales program. So, human and financial resources, the level of capacity and utilizations, and the innovation circles, the privileging in the environments can help and decided a company's an ability to sure on the particular types of strategic, such as staying in the same market or expanding the market. And there are 5 key decisions that a sales manager needs to take at this stage. The first is the sales managers and should decide on how the personal selling and efforts can best be tied to the company and environment and integrated with other elements of the marketing strategy. This decisions is set to the explain the firm's and personal selling strategy. The next decisions is to find out and decide in what way the potential customers and can best be approached and the services from the this means and the deciding the kind of account and management policies the firms and should adopt. This is initially and the decision related to the sales approach. The third decision is the organizations of sales force to call and manage various types of customers as effectively and efficiently as possible. This is related to the design of sales organizations and sustainable to the market. The fourth decision is related to the level of performance each members of the sales force is expected to attain and during the planning period under conditions. And this involves a decision related to the forecast, quota and budgets setting. Now, the fifth decision is related to the development of the firms and sales force in the light of the account management, the policy and demand forecast. The decision involves deciding on the sales and allocations of these entities to the sales people. A sales program must be carefully and integrated with other marketing and strategic. The personal selling is only one of the tools of sales and promotion strategy, which is a part of the core marketing and strategy. The sales managers should decide that kind of sales promotions strategy the firms should pursue in view of the firm's product offering competitions in the market, the available distributions strategy and the prevailing and pricing policy. The decisions will influence the personal selling and objectives and organizational development of resource to personal selling efforts. Thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.